Hello YouTube, this is Warren Marshall, and I wanted to do a quick channel update just to talk about the state of things and, well, something I'd like to ask. So, the channel has been growing slowly over the years. It's kind of a niche channel, and I sort of accepted that because it's like, I started off with a lot of moto videos, and then I did some game art stuff. The game art stuff tends to be a little more popular than the moto specific stuff, so we'll probably see more of that in the future. But the subscriber count is getting pretty close to 8,000. As of this recording, I think we're at 7,905 or something. So like 95 subs away from 8,000. And it's not that 8,000 really means anything in terms of the bigger picture, but it's a nice round number that I would love to see just for my own personal gratification. So if you're watching this video and you like my channel and you're not subscribed, please just go ahead and hit that red button. You don't even have to hit the bell. I don't care. It's your life. Do what you want. But hitting that red button and subscribing would add 1 to my sub count and get me 1 sub closer to my 8,000 goal that I can enjoy. Anyway, going forward, we're just, like I said, I think we're going to focus more on game art type stuff. The internal details of things. You'll see, at the next video that I'm going to post is going to be very techy in regards to normal maps. And from that, you should be able to see a gist of where I'm going to be taking things. We're going to do props, we're going to do environments, and we're going to do all the stuff we normally do. And if I have stuff about Moto to share specifically, I will. But generally, we're going to stick to stuff that's more universally appealing. So anyway, I hope that makes some sense, and thanks for listening. I'll see you later. Oh, and I did want to point out, for those that are interested, although the sub count doesn't really matter all that much in terms of how the channel progresses, going forward, hitting the like button actually does. That affects when this video gets suggested to people, because if nobody likes the video, then YouTube's going to assume that it wasn't useful. So it's not going to promote it or suggest it to people, and that won't bring new people in. So if you do nothing else, if you don't want to subscribe, that's cool, but hit the like button once in a while. Not on this video maybe, but on one you actually do find useful. That would really help out. And one last thing I guess I'll say, as long as I've got your attention, I've gotten some questions about various things in the comments, and really the comments aren't the best place to help you with bigger questions like, how do I make this prop, or how do I fix this error, that kind of thing. What you want to do is follow the link down in the description to the Discord channel and join the Discord. There's a community there of other people besides just me, so you can ask a question, and odds are you'll get a pretty quick and informed answer. So join the Discord, ask your questions there, and yeah, we can chat a bit while you're there. Why not, right? So now I am going to let you go. Thank you for continuing to watch, and I really will see you next time. Bye-bye.